In this video, we're going to show you how to make Teamotions Lavender Vanilla London Fog. Usually, this is a wonderful warm drink you can enjoy on a cold, rainy afternoon, but today we're going to make it over ice for hot summer days. In this recipe, we'll be using Achieve Clarity by Teamotions, a delicious vanilla Earl Grey tea made with hints of lavender and bergamot. Our first step will be to cold brew the Achieve Clarity. Using our Teamotions iced tea maker, you'll want to add 5 scoops of Achieve Clarity into the infuser, fill it with 5 cups of water, room temperature, and then place in the refrigerator overnight. Next, we'll want to make our lavender vanilla simple syrup. To do this, you'll combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of sugar in a small saucepan and bring to a boil. Once all of the sugar has dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat and you'll add 1/2 teaspoon of lavender and 1 vanilla bean cut down the middle. Feel free to use a teaspoon of vanilla extract if you don't have any fresh vanilla beans. Let the simple syrup steep for 15 minutes, strain into a glass mason jar, and put in the fridge to cool for a couple of hours. Once you have all of your ingredients prepped, it's time to assemble the Lavender Vanilla London Fog. You'll combine 1 tablespoon lavender simple syrup with 1 tablespoon of half and half or any creamer of your choice, and 8 ounces of the cold brewed Achieve Clarity over ice. And enjoy.